students, how are you? Hope you all are learning from these classes. In last classes we have done the objectives, and the objectives are done very well by you all as you have sent the pics of your classworks. It shows your sincerity towards your work, and this sincerity should be regular. I have given you homework also, that to learn the word meaning. Word meaning, it is very important thing as it strongs your vocabulary, which is very important for English. So today we will learn the exercises which are there in the chapter, and here there are some exercises in the chapter, that's word in use. This will make your vocabulary strong, as is the phrasal verb. We will, in this exercise we will learn about the phrasal verbs, okay. But what is phrasal verbs you must not be knowing about in the last classes. I just don't think that we have learned about the phrase. Okay, today we will learn about the phrasal verb. Phrase, do you know phrase? What do you mean by it? If you don't, just let me recall it first, that what is phrase. Okay, phrase is a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. It can be a part of clause or sentence. Okay, clause or sentence. Here phrase is just a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. Means doesn't give this, it gives the sense but not complete sense. As in the morning, there it is, from the bookshop very fluently for a walk. These are the phrase. Okay, in the afternoon I had a nap. There it is, in the afternoon is also a phrase. This is also a phrase. And I had a nap, in this that is a sentence in which there I had a nap. A nap is here phrase. Okay, just like this we phrase here, like the sentence I am telling there, we go for walk in the morning. We go for a walk in the morning. Okay, there it is. Just see, in the morning is also a phrase and for a walk is also a phrase here. Okay, this is just giving a for a walk. This is also मतलब phrase है, मतलब in the हम लोग walk पर गए, walk के लिए गए, और in the morning सुबह. Okay, सुबह में, this is also a phrase. So like these types of sentence, in the sentence the words, the group of words having the sense but not complete sense is called phrase. Okay, now there it is a preposition here, where preposition is a word which is usually placed before noun or pronoun. It shows the relation of the noun or pronoun to some other words in the sentence. The most commonly used preposition are in, on, at, from, to, with, by, of. Okay, you have studied the preposition, and in this the book is on the table. The book is on the table. Okay, now here preposition is here. What is the preposition here? On. On is preposition here. Like this here we will come to know about the phrase and preposition. And the phrasal verbs are the combination of the words phrasal verb. Okay, that is the combination of the words. A phrasal verb is the main verb used with a preposition and adverb or both. Okay, its meaning is different from those of the words making it up. It makes a different meaning. Okay, there is the combination. Phrasal verbs is the combination of